How would you like to click just a few buttons and start seeing $5, $10, or even $20 payments rolling into your account again and again? You see, we always look down on those small numbers, but not in this case for this unique website which I'm about to show you right on this video. While you only get paid $10 or $20 each time, they add up very quickly. Imagine stacking up those $20 payments and they could end up becoming big numbers, up to $200 or $300 per day easily. You can then immediately cash out via different payment options including PayPal, bank transfer, and many more. This website is 100% free and there's no investment needed. And it is available worldwide. I'll be giving you a few bonus tips that will double or even triple your earnings with just a few clicks of a button. So make sure you stay tuned and watch until the very end. Before we go into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks so that you will be ahead of your competitors and start making real money. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer and accommodate you guys and give you all the information that you need. The first thing that I want you to do is to go over to enrollapp.com. Once you come onto this website, you can see here it says, let's make the web a better place. This is a 100% legit company which is quite popular in the industry. It provides us an opportunity to make money from home with no experience and no technical skill. Pay very close attention because right now, I'll show you everything step by step so that you can earn money online starting today. First of all, when you come over to the home page, I want you to click on this green button right here to sign in. We're glad you are back. The web needs your help. Get back in there and start making the web a better place. Just put in your email address and your password and just click on sign in. This is a very simple process, but again, when you log into your account, there are a couple of things that I want you to do. The first thing is to check your email inbox because if this is the first time that you sign up for a free account, you're gonna go onto your email inbox and activate your account by clicking on the verification link in your email inbox. Once you're logged into your Enroll app dashboard, you will see this is the inside of my account. Hi Mark, let's make the web a better place today. This is where I can do the progress, and as you can see here, this is my mission progress. Right now, my mission progress is already at 20%. After finishing the mission, this little cow right here will go on from left and start moving all the way to the right as I start making progress and completing more projects and mission. The best thing is I will receive extra cash prizes and bonus money. That's why I love this website, and I highly recommend beginners and newbies to start with this. It's easy and no investment is needed. There are a couple of things that I want to show you in this video to help you make double or even triple more money by using a little secret that I discovered myself after working on this website. So make sure you keep watching and do not miss any part of this video. Now, the first thing that you'll notice on your dashboard is when you scroll down below, you can see here polls and how many poll questions you have answered. Now, polls meaning these questions right here, for example, are you a recruiter? All you have to do is answer yes or no. For example, if I click on yes, it will show you the statistics of how many people answered yes or no. You don't have to do anything on this question, you just have to click on continue. And another question will pop up, answer the poll, and it will give you the statistics again, and so on and so forth. And whenever you answer a poll question, this number will increase. The more polls that you answer, the more points that you collect. You can go from here all the way to here, making you earn bonus money also. The more poll questions that you answer, it makes this website easier to give you the most suitable projects that fits your demographics and your interests, which means you receive more mission and end up making more money. You can see here my point right now is already 207. You can keep on answering questions again and again by just clicking on the yes or no and then just click on continue. You can repeat this as much as you want and there's absolutely no limit to this. So real quick, let me show you here are all the poll questions that I've already answered. You can see all the questions and all my answers. The more questions that you answer, the more polls that you do, the more money you're going to make. And before I forget, yes, you can do this on your mobile phone or computer and it works worldwide. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. And let me know which country you're coming from so that I can make more videos in your region. Moving on to the next step, when you click on achievement right here, you can see here your progress, and I've already earned a total of 9 badges and a total of 207 points. Now basically, this is the mission. Welcome to mission number 1, Earth. All you have to do is follow this instruction. To take answers, enroll polls, and be an active enroll user, meaning that you have to log into your account every single day so you can earn extra bonus points and money. Do it for 30 days in a row for just 5 minutes a day and complete the poll questions right here, and then you can finish your mission. I log in every day and keep answering poll questions. I will get my progress from here to there. These are all the badges that you can earn. The more badges that you get, the more points and the more bonus money that you can make on this website. You can see here I earned 9 badges and 207 points over here and mission about Earth. There's one more important thing that you have to configure if you want to make triple more money. Pay very close attention to this. When you log into your account, you have to click on this arrow button right here and then click on test preferences. Then you'll come up to this page and see here test preferences. Let's make sure that all your profile settings are up to date, and as a reminder, your responses to these questions will be kept private. All your poll answers for the question will be kept private and confidential, so don't worry about that. So on the device that you can test on, I want you to select all of these 3 different devices. I want you to click on mobile, tablet, and desktop. The reason why I want you to select all of these different devices is because the more devices that you choose, the more tasks that you can do. The more polls that you can answer means the more money that you can make. And for the testing availability, what is the best time for you to receive tests? I want you to select send me tests as soon as possible, because when you select this setting, they're going to send you more tasks inside your account and also send you more test notifications into your email inbox. With that being said, the more opportunity that you have, the more money you can make. And it's also very important for you to tick this box. Send me an email when I qualify for a test. You can even validate your phone number so that way they can send you an SMS notification whenever they have a new test for you. It's very important for you to follow all the settings right here in order for you to earn the most amount of money on this website. So for the poll questions, I've answered a total of 205 questions so far. I'm gonna go back to this page to continue answering more poll questions. I hope that you can see how simple it is with this website. You can just repeat this as much as you want just by clicking on a few buttons. I truly believe anyone can do this. So all you have to do is just focus on your progress by finishing the mission, by getting more points and earning more badges, and then you can earn extra bonus money. Before we end the video, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips, and tricks to make more money online. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace!